my name is David. Welcome to Green Tech Heat Solutions. We are here to demonstrate troubleshooting on the Titan heaters. So as far as getting spark and not igniting, or possibly igniting and then it turns off in 30 seconds, or any of the other problems you've been having with your heater. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to check out to make sure that we have spark, air, and fuel. If you have spark and air, you're lacking fuel. So if it's igniting and turning off, you know you're having some kind of fuel problem. So to make sure that we check the spark on this heater or on any heater, first thing you want to do is disconnect your propane tank. You don't want to have any fuel going to your heater. Now you can safely turn it on and off. Okay, now here we are looking at the igniter. So this is the igniter right here. This is the back side, this is the front side. This is where the actual spark happens, in between the ground and the igniter. And this right here is the signal wire. This is where the heat hits this wire and it glows red hot and sends a low voltage signal through this wire up to the control module. Now here we are checking to make sure that there are no loose pieces. Now on this one you can see the signal wire is loose. Go. Okay, here we are again. So here is the igniter, and we're going to be looking for a spark, and the spark will happen right in between the ground and the igniter. And this right here is the signal wire. Now you can see on this one the signal wire is loose. We're also going to be paying attention to these wires. This is the signal wire, this is the igniter wire, and this is your ground. The ground is connected to the actual igniter itself, which is connected to this wire right here in the middle. You want to make sure and check your wires for any charredness. So anything that looks charred or possibly melted, to where there is a spark or a signal being lost from the signal wire, or a spark being lost from the igniter wire. And this is an example of charred wires that you're looking at. If you notice on the red wire, there is charredness. This could cause loss of spark. So here are the leads to the signal wire leading to the control module. All three wires from down at the igniter lead up to the control module. Here is your igniter, here is your signal wire, and here's your ground. You want to make sure these have a good connection. Do a slight tug to make sure they are connected right. The solution to one of these being faulty or one of these being charred inside of the barrel would be to order a new igniter with wires. To remove and replace an igniter, these are the tools you need, and preferably a small screwdriver like this so you can get inside and loosen up the screws, the igniter, and everything should be color coded for you. The green is where the ground goes, the red is for the igniter, and the blue is for the signal wire. This would be the ground, and this would be the signal, and this would be the igniter.